Okay, what up?
Did you start recording?
Today we're gonna what should we do?
Yeah.
What the heck? What should we do?
I don't know.
Should we just do random stuff?
Come on.
Oh, let's go kill the giant piñata. Wanna go kill the giant piñata?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll meet you there. Right? I'll meet you there. Bro. I'm not gonna make it. Bro. I feel like I'm about to die for some reason. I'm gonna accidentally land. Yo. I'm almost there, alright?
It's the Fortnite live event! That was Scott!
Yo, why are you so big, bro? Where is he?
Because it's the Fortnite live event!
How do you already kill? Alright, let's kill it! I got Piñata back.
Fortnite live event!
Hurry, help me!
Fortnite live event! I'm going right. Giddy up!
Oh my god, and now I'm just
Did he just stream?
Yeah.
Oh, my hands hurt. My hands hurt. They're so
lagging. I fell down.
Bro, stop running away. Yo, he's trying to go in the deep dark forest. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the deep dark forest. I need to get up and help.
Of the deep dark.
No. Bro, really? All the way back at the bottom again? Get up. I can't see anything. I'm stuck. Oh no. Yo, what happened? Yeah, what did you do? Yo, what is that? What is that light, bro? I contact her. Know that? Yo, what are you?
I'm gonna juke him.
Yo.
Oh, I'm finna juke this little bro.
Bro, what did you just do? Did he kill it?
Yeah, I killed it.
Alright, I contact. Yo, watch out! Is that it?
Stupid llama.
Yo, what was that? I think I killed the llama. Now I'm super spawned. Ogre spawned! Yo! How dare you hurt me? How dare you? Yo! Oh, I thought you died.
No, I just got a piñata back.
Yay, we could smash the piñata with the piñata bat now. Now we both can. Oh, I have a good idea.
Open the crate.
Okay. Let me try finding another crossbow. Yo, what was that?
Oh, flare. Another piñata bat. Wait.
This one's mine, bro. Yo, it spawned again. Wait. Another cross. Oh, yo! Look what I just got. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Yo!
Just
They
go
both
shoot
spawn.
it.
They both spawn. They both spawn. Hold on. Wait,
Shoot
wait.
it.
Three,
Just shoot it, bro.
2, 1. How did he survive that?
Bro just gobbled up that bull.
Yeah, look what I got. No. What happened to my piñata bet? What happened to my other piñata bet? Well, guess I have to use this. I'm sorry you're doing everything by yourself. I just need to get something else.
2 grenades.
Yo, look what I just got. Hee hee.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy because I haven't unlocked guns yet. Bro, really? I think that was my last round.
Okay, I'm gonna flash bang the llama.
Oh, did he get it? Yo, I got a impact grenade.
Wait, give it.
Oh my
God.
I took too long. Wait, I'm gonna shoot it real quick. I'm trying to grab it. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Bro, really? Yo, what is bro
Did
doing?
you want me to give you a bunch of giant and small rare items?
Yeah, sure. Yo, ogre spawned! He's It's fine, I got it.
Yo, I'm gonna flash the llama. Yo, I'm gonna flash the llama. Watch this.
Bro, really? I just got sent one. Bro, what are you doing? I was trying to go in the deep dark forest. And that's not gonna make anything. Oh no, I fell in there. He's going in the deep dark forest. Oh no, never mind. Hey, did you just steal my piñata bat, or was that for?
Nah, I stole it.
No, that's for you. Alright, let's kill it. Yo, he spawned again. Ogre spawned again. He's coming after you.
Juke! LeBron James!
He was about to throw that. He was literally about to.
Nah, I'm LeBron James.
LeBron James?
Yo. Brian, watch this. Watch this. Here.
What?
LeBron James!
What did you do? Did you just kill yourself?
I think I died.
You died. Come to me.
I love.
Oh, dang it. Turn around, bro. Yo.
Oh, look at my piñata. Yo. What is it?
Yo, what the heck?
Oh my god.
Where's my bat now? I think ogre's gonna respawn. I have a crossbow with a. Oh, ogre just spawned. Kill him. I kill him. Okay. Oh, I just killed one of the piñatas. Now I'm go. I think he's close to dying.
Yeah, me too.
I'm so close.
No, this is jail time right here. If I kill the llama with one hit right now, then I have to go to jail and get arrested for.
Let me try to help you make that happen.
Oh, let's go.
He's about to die. Yo, there's an angler. Yo, there's an angler.
Where's Mom go?
Alright, I killed it really easy. Alright.
Make the bomb go to him.
Alright, killed it. Did he just die? Wait, let me kill the bomb real quick.
Yeah, I died like 2 minutes ago.
Okay, I'm coming. Yo, wait, hold on. Little girl's coming to me. Come here. I was trying to jump away. Respawn.
Oh, brother, this guy
Okay.
stinks!
Round 2, alright? Round 2.
Round 2.
What do you do? Oh, can you buy me some? Please?
King Kong versus Godzilla.
What? Can you give me one, please? Yo. Never mind, you don't have to. How do you still buy that? Alright, let's just go now.
Oh my god.
Why are you so big? Yo, you're actually massive. I think that I'm gonna eat broccoli for the first time and see if that happens.
Oh yeah, Fortnite live event. Who wants some?
Oh my god!
I just died.
Yeah,
Really,
nobody
bro?
wants a piece of that Fortnite live event.
Alright, I think you might have to try to kill him on your own because I just died.
Yo, I found the Fortnite live event boss long.
Hold on. I'm coming, but this time I'm coming with something more safe. A rocket.
Yo, where?
Oh. Oh no. Bro.
Is that yours?
No, not to me. I'm back. I'm back and I'm ready to attack. Yo, his hands are big, bro. Oh, I don't think he has an animation anymore. Oh, never mind. He has an animation. Where are you?
Forest.
Where? Oh, never mind. Yo, better not.
Yo, what's that?
Shoot him.
I'ma shoot you. We're
I'm
gonna
trying to
get
help
you. Yahoo. Was that a good one?
You want a Piñata back
Oh,
for
it
free?
worked, chat. It worked. This type of challenge is here. Yo,
Brian, watch this. Oh man, it's so
You can smoke.
Oh, let's go!
I got revolver ammo. Practically useless without a revolver. Yeah. I got a shield. Hiya!
I hate this.
Yo, he spawned again.
My getaway plan.
I'm stuck. Oh, help me. Oh no, never mind. I said never mind. I said never mind. Bro, he just grabbed me again, bro. Really?
Oh my god!
I'm coming to you. Just run away until he loses interest. Yo, why are his hands so big, bro? I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming to my skin. Wait. Bro, really? Oh yeah. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. Yeah.
You owe me. You owe me 1 Fortnite V-Buck.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Watch out. He was about to throw that right at my skull, bro. Wait, hold on. Let me kill one of the mini piñatas. Never mind. I guess I'm just gonna go after the big one. Is the pipe good? Is the pipe good?
The pipe is not really that good.
Yo. Ooh, what's that? I see.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, newbie mistake. I'm coming to my pod. Oh, never mind, he got me. What are you doing? Hurry, before Ogre respawns. Oh, Ogre respawn. I'll go kill him. I'll get him. I'll get him. We still need to kill the giant piñata.
Yeah.
Bro, help me.
Oh, wait.
Help me.
My legs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gosh, my legs are about to fall off. Bum, bada, bum, bum. Bum, bum.
Oh my god, I just got scared so badly, bro. Bro, just die! Why would you
Fortnite
die?
V-Bucks now. Only 2 Fortnite V-Bucks.
Help me, bro. Could you actually do some...
Oh my god! Oh my god, something about you! There's 3 mimics!
Why is there so many mimics? How do we kill him? I never killed him before. Oh, never mind, I killed him. Let me kill the mimic.
Yeah.
Or mimics.
Yeah, the mimics. There's a whole army of them.
Where'd he go? Bro, I thought I just attacked him.
Oh my god!
Bro, I can't get him, bro.
They're
They're both coming after me. Help me. Help me. He's picking up a rock. He's going to throw it at me. Yo. Oh. Why did he jump so far?
Dog water! Bro, what?
Oh my god!
Did I kill him? Oh no, I didn't. Yeah! I'm back into this world as a free man. I got tripwire.
Hey, you wanna join me in modded lobby? You wanna join me in modded?
Yo, what was that? What was that, bro? I want to see if we kill it and ogre will spawn. Yo, what just exploded my thing?
I think I died.
You died to my tripwire?
Okay, wait, I want to show you something when you were.
Okay, bye guys, and we'll see you again next time because
Okay.
I have COVID-93. Yeah, but
Bye.